Why you still looking at me? Why you yeah. Why
Hi guys, welcome to Tech on Budget. Now I'm unboxing Philips headphones TWE True Wireless headphones. In this back side, we can see that great sound, punch bars and snug fit, and some flash and sweat resistance. We can play over up to 12 hours, and a smart pairing automatically find your Bluetooth device. Let's check on inside. Oh, no charging cable is given. And it's in manual. How can we use it? This is a user manual of headphones. Let's check on the earbuds. Some earbuds was given as already. Charging cable is not given. It's quite simple, and some specifications is in the back side. It's a logo of Philips. Oh, it's already open. Then let it charge. Okay, now charge it. The white light with the light bluish. We can use it up to 3 hours of in this charge, but the battery backup is 12 hours. We can use it for 12 hours, and the charging time is 1 to 1.5 hours. It's the great bass, the great effect. Sometimes it gets some irregularities and bigger as compared to the noise. Thank you.